a staycation in the Netherlands? Inntel Hotels Amsterdam Zaandam is a must. Classy yet catchy with its modern, colorful and stylish design, painting the ever beautiful Netherlands. True to its name, it is located in Zaandam City, Netherlands, a great suburban area located in North Amsterdam. Painting itself in the city, it is a nice spot to stay as it portrays the signature Zaandam's traditional architecture. The rooms feature modern and minimalist concept. It also features historic photos in the room and oil painting. To make your stay more comfortable, it provides a nice and cozy bed, free Wi-Fi, free access to the fitness center, swimming pool, bar, and restaurant. You can park your transportation and bring your pet, but it costs extra fees. Best thing about the hotel is its strategic location. If you need it, it'll take around 12 to 15 minutes to go to the busy city Central Amsterdam. Zaan's museum is there for a short visit if you're willing to drive about 10 minutes to the area. Finally, if you're planning to stay here, it'll take less than 25 minutes to go to Schiphol Airport. Want to stay here? Book now at airpaz.com.
Airpaz, start traveling now.